Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bluetooth headphones to smart TV setup step by step clearly. First, make sure your smart TV actually supports Bluetooth audio in its settings or user manual. Turn on your Bluetooth headphones and confirm they have enough battery for pairing. Put the headphones into pairing mode by holding the power or Bluetooth button until the indicator light flashes. If you are not sure how to enter pairing mode, check the headphone manual for the exact button and timing. Turn on the TV and press the home button on the remote to open the main menu. Go to settings from the TV menu using the remote control arrows. Open the sound or audio section, depending on your TV brand. Look for an option like sound output, audio output, or speaker list. Select Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth audio, or wireless headphones from the output list. If you see a Bluetooth setting page, make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Choose Add Device, Pair New Device, or search for devices to start scanning. Wait a few seconds while the TV searches for nearby Bluetooth devices. Find your headphone's name in the list and select it with the OK or Enter button. If a pairing request appears, select Pair or Connect on the TV screen. If the TV asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234, or use the code shown on the screen. Wait until you see a message like connected or paired successfully. Play a video or open a music app on the TV to test the audio in the headphones. If you still hear sound from the TV speakers, return to sound output and select the Bluetooth device again. Adjust the volume using the TV remote first, then fine-tune with the headphone volume buttons if available. If audio is delayed, open Advanced Sound Settings and look for audio delay or lip sync options. Set the audio format to PCM if you experience no sound or unstable Bluetooth audio. If the headphones do not appear, move them closer to the TV and repeat the search. Turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference during pairing. If pairing fails, restart the TV by powering it off completely and turning it back on. Also restart the headphones, re-enter pairing mode, and try connecting again. If your TV has no Bluetooth option, use a Bluetooth transmitter connected to the TV's headphone jack or optical port. After connecting, set the TV output to the correct port used by the transmitter for proper sound. Finally, keep the headphones paired so next time they reconnect automatically when turned on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.